Hello guys, this is Ernest Kekeke reaching you from Lagos, Nigeria. How are you doing today? Today we're gonna look at why Kotlin. Why should you learn Kotlin, or what is this tutorials about? This is for absolute beginners. Let me start from there. This not for professionals. This is for absolute beginners. So that's it. Um, why Kotlin? You can see if you want to go into, let's say, you want to be an Android developer, Kotlin is a must in 2024 because most companies are needing it, all right? But the essence of this course is not just to focus for those who want to go into Android developer or maybe those who want to go into maybe building of app. But the focus of learning Kotlin is that it's a modern approach to programming. So it set the standard. When Kotlin came out, it set the standard so high that other programming language, let's say like Python, PHP, they tend to incorporate this standard with time. So even JavaScript as well. So it set this standard so high. Another advantage of Kotlin is that it's statically typed language. Um, Everything we're going to do with time, you're going to understand this because the industry right now, they need programmers who can do this very well, who can statically type their code and all that. Let's look at, if you're building app, for instance, there are two programming language you use. It's either you use Kotlin or you use Java. So Kotlin and Java are both awesome programming language that have some significant difference. While Java is more established language with a large community and extensive library, Kotlin provides a modern featured concise syntax, making it an attractive choice for many developers. So you can see the difference. But like what I said, the reason why you're doing this course, if you don't have any idea about programming, you want to go into the programming world, you want to be a software engineer, you want to be a programmer, you want to be you want to be a tech guy, so you can start with this course, all right? So um, the way I'm going to teach this course is that when you understand what is in this course, it's going to give you an edge when you're doing something like maybe Python, C++, the rest, and all that. You're going to understand the foundation of it because, like what I said, Kotlin set the standard, right? When it came out, it was like explosive. Kotlin have been around for quite a very long time now, so it's not something new. So let's go to how can we get Kotlin. Let's go to that. So you just go to your Google Chrome. The first thing you're going to do is we need a code editor for this. So we're going to use intellij, right? IntelliJ. You see IntelliJ download. Click on it. Oh shit, I don't have a network or what? Okay, it's back now. So when you click on IntelliJ download, what you're gonna see is the first one here, which is download IntelliJ IDE. Click on that. So there's two versions for these. There's a paid version and there's a free version. So everything we're gonna do, the free version is more than enough, except maybe you are working for a firm or an organization that require you to use the paid version. But for this course, everything we're going to do, the free version is enough. And you can see it comes in Windows, Mac, and Linux, right? So you just click download and download it and install. It's not a rocket science, it's simple, straightforward, right? So let's do it. So when you open your IntelliJ, you're gonna have an ID of the like this. You're gonna have an ID like this. So you can see customize, plugin, learn, project, and all that. Let's go straight to what we're gonna do right now. So when you click on project, you come to new project. So the first thing, you're gonna give your project a name. Let's call this tutorial. Then language, what language do you want to use? You can see there's Java, there's Kotlin, there's Groovy, there's HTML. So we're going with Kotlin, right? Your build system, you can change it, but I'll leave it at intellij, right? So that we can be on the same page. So if you're into maybe you're a web developer, you can see you can use it for your HTML code as well. HTML code as well. So, but for this, we are using Kotlin. Then another thing you're going to see is add sample code. For me, there's no point. We're going to do everything from scratch, so there's no point. So let's create, all right? Now, when you create, you're going to have this boring thing, or what is going on right here. Everything look the same, or what is going on right here. So you can see nothing is happening. So the first one we're going to look at now is let's come to menu. Let's click on this and go to settings. Let's set this. At this place, you can change your theme. You can change it from dark to light, uh, light with light air. You know, we have dry color, we have eye contrast. I think this is really off, but you know, some persons might like this theme. We have these. So, but for me, I prefer to go with dark, right? So you can use any one you want. It's still the same thing. For the purpose of this course, we're going to work on the zoom size. Let me use 150%, right? So that you can see what I'm doing. We're using one. You can see everything is bigger now. Let me click OK. Boom. So where are we going to start from? You can see the source XRC. We're going to start from there. You click on it, then you right click on it. So under this, you go to new Kotlin class slash file. You click on it. You come to file where you see file. Then you can type in anything, but I would advise you always start with main. All right. So that because all your code, all your classes, everything you're gonna write should run on main. So let's type in main. Then main, click enter, right? Use enter on your keyboard. So when you click on main, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna type on phone space main, open and close bracket, open and curly bracket. You're gonna have something like this. But just imagine I'm using something different. Let me say I type in maybe phone hello, open and close. You can see it's not gonna give me that, that light blue depending on your team, right? But you can see this thing seems like it's just there. It's not lighting up on it. So what it means is that if you are into a website, if you're going to any website, the first page it take you to is index dot maybe HTML or index dot PHP or index dot anything, but it's going to look for index, all right? So if we are to run anything, maybe you want to build an app or you want to do anything, the first thing the this thing is going to look for is what's going to be your main file. So just the way your index is your main file in your website development. So main, the function main, remember fun is a function. We're going to get to that in the process of this course. So the function main, that's what the code editor is looking for. So if I say phone main, open and close bracket, you can see, then open my curly bracket. So you can see, so the first thing we're going to do is print hello world. So what you're going to see, I'm using double quotation mark. Reason for this is because I'm putting more than one characters. So if I'm to use a single quotation mark, I'm going to have an error. Let me put a single quotation mark. If I'm just putting H, there's not going to be an issue, right? But if I print hello world, you can see it's giving me a word sign here. And what is the reason? If you check it, it's going to be because we are using too many characters. So With time, you're going to understand the difference, but for now, learn how to use a double quotation mark. Hello world. All right. Then let me print it out. Let's see. You can see we have our hello world here, right? Now let's look at another print line. Print line. Let me print my name. Ernest Kekeke. This is my name. It's gonna enter the book real quick. I know you can show me what this is an African name, so but it's gonna enter the book real quick with time. So it's not gonna show this anymore. Just trust me. So let me play this. So I have L word Ernest Kekeke. Alright. So what is different between these two? When I say print, I'm saying that stay on the same line. That is, at the end of this word, there's no system or there's no a new line character that's going to take it to a new line. So when I just say print hello world, that is the next time I'm going to print should still be on the same line. But if I say print line in a KKK, what it means is that after this place, you're seeing this thing, this cursor here, right? I'm saying the next time I'm going to print should go to a new line. So let me cut this, for instance. I'm going to cut this and put it here. Now let's see it again. Look at the difference now. If I play this thing, you're going to see Ernest KKK hello world, right? So this thing means that if I print the first statement, when you use print line, the next thing you're going to print, whether you're using print line or you're using print, it should go to the next line. All right. So let me print something else. Let me print new line Lagos, Nigeria. All right. So let me print it. You can see hello Ernest, Lagos, Nigeria. Anyway, these two things is true about me. My name is Ernest Kekeke. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. So let's print the famous word print hello world. So I just want to add something to it. Hello world, guys. Let's print it. You can see it now. So some of you might be wondering, we are just printing out stuff. This is next class. We're going to look at the use of this, what we are doing. So for now, your assignment for today is see how you can just print out stuff. Print your name, print your dad's name, print your loved one. Just print out anything you like. All right. So my name is Ernest Kekeke. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. Hello world. All right. So you can print something like that. And on the comment section, just tell me what you print. Just write in your name, all right? And please like and subscribe to this channel. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy what we're gonna do with Kotlin in this course. Thank you once again. Have a good day. Stay blessed, all right?